Down?
No carbs. No
Sheesh.
sugar.
Sheesh.
Zero sugar.
Dayan, how you feeling? Ha?
Okay man.
Di, ito yung padayon ba?
Padayon.
Okay naman.
Ako na po. Kasi, kabalo ka mo, anak ako niya na, hura ka na ng carbs.
Wala ko na kumain niya.
Ah.
Pero,
Pero,
katong nilakaw ko, tama niya lula.
ah,
Kaya akong order kay abi ko, manok ko siya ba? Dati di ba?
ah.
Bastos kay kung sila ko gano'n eh, ngayon lula. Ayaw tala. Ako ko gano'n.
No choice.
Napugos. No
Ganyan na
choice.
siya na ako, no? Ayaw rin ka na.
Manok eh, pagkawan ko lang manok na diya for branding. Ika, yapon. Tanong na ako ng tanan.
Well, that's good. Jandy was able to go for a month without carbs and sugar. But then he had to stop because they went out with his grandmother and they ordered food that has chicken has breading. So that's already like a bit of carbs and pasta. And then he was like,
Then, ice cream pa na naman.
I was like, ah.
Nagpapalit yung ice cream naman.
Ice cream.
Like, I'm already dipping my toes. I just rather go.
Pagka man nag-ice cream.
Nagpapalit ko ice cream.
Right. I told him like he lost a bit of weight. Because last time, right, he was like roadblocks.
It wasn't that bad. You could just
You could
like,
tell that.
Yeah. How much weight did you gain, and then after you did no carbs and sugar?
I didn't check.
He didn't track.
I didn't
Oh,
keep track.
okay. But you felt it, like you.
He can
lost
see
weight?
it.
Yeah, and by the first week you get a lot of effort.
Because your body is going through withdrawal from the
Yeah,
sugar.
like because you're putting it off completely.
Because when you have no carbs, no sugar in your body eats your own fat as fuel.
Try the papaya with the pineapple. It's good. That. I like the combo, right? First time I'm enjoying papaya. Yeah, ipares yung pineapple. Pero mo gray ulit.